So I have here some photos that I took of our hot matcha latte, and we were not too impressed with it. It didn't really taste like matcha. It just mostly tasted like warm steamed milk. And so next time I think I'm going to try making it different, or I might not make it again at all because we weren't too impressed. But if I do make it again, I'm going to try just making paste with the matcha first rather than the more liquid like you see in the video. So we are using the electric frother. Actually, it's battery operated. You put it right in the middle like that. It makes a whole lot of froth. It's kind of fun. I've not used this yet. Okay, stop it and see. Look at all that froth. Fantabulous. And then it comes with a little holder. There you go. A holder. Look at all that fantabulous froth. I love it. Okay, so we're going to take this restaurant matcha by Dense Tea and we're going to play. I love playing. We are going to make a bunch of different recipes with it. So our first one is just going to be a latte, a warm latte, which is the most traditional way to use matcha. Of course, it's the beginning of July here, so I'm not excited about the warm one, but we'll try the cold one as well. I've just used one matcha scoop and gone ahead and mixed it with 2 ounces of water. It's all frothed up using our frother. So I got 2 glasses, one for me and one for hubby. So here's what we're going to do. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just playing. I'm gonna fill it up part way with steamed milk. Get them about the same. About the same. Yeah. And then we're gonna somehow pour that matcha in there. I'll let you do that. Well, wait, before we do that, wait a minute. I do have honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some honey in. So we're gonna add the matcha. Kind of hard with this. I would recommend making it in a little pitcher or something. Just pour it all in. Not all in one. Now we've got this as a warm latte. I know what I'm going to do. I still have some warm milk in here. See my laptop. We have to do this by the window where the lighting is better. I'm going to froth the rest of this milk. You know how they say don't cry over spilt milk? Don't cry over spilt latte. Just make your matcha not in a matcha bowl. Look at that frothing up. Wow, that was, look how tall it's getting. I'm impressed. So I'm going to top it with some milk froth. Oh, now that looks like restaurant quality drink there. Ha! Too fun.
have this adorable spoon. It's actually a baby spoon. And I learned I like using them for my short drinks.